This is going to be an insignia. That's going to, well, this guy is definitely plum of the month. We're on a big roundabout here. We're on the M6 roundabout that crosses the A444, and we are heading for the B4113. Now this lane marking here is quite faint, but you'll see it come in to view a bit more as we go around. And we're going to follow that lane marking as we go along, and that's going to take us in the perfect position for the B4113. So we're going kind of fifth exit really on this roundabout here. Our lights are turning to green and we're moving off. And because it's a spiral roundabout, we're going to use this lane marking here to take us out, and that will put us in a perfect position for our road. Now this next exit up here, that's the M6, not the M69, it's the M6. And I'm going to pause it just about, just in a few seconds. I'm going to pause it, you'll see him there. There he is. Whoever this is in this insignia wants to have a little look in his highway code and things like that, because he's in this lane here that clearly goes around into one of these, and he's going to cut right across the front of us to go along the M6. The distance here is no more than a cigarette paper, let me tell you. We were very, very close. Here he goes. There he is. And he's going off up the M6 there. Obviously, you know, very proud of himself. He's made that manoeuvre very successfully. But let's see what happens to us. See that? We've been forced all the way over here now, just to avoid him, just so that he doesn't get an insurance claim against him. Onto the kind of hard shoulder part of the roundabout there, and we're having to manoeuvre ourselves back in then. So he's plum of the week, not the week, the month, sorry. He's plum of the month, the insignia driver on the M6 A444 roundabout.